Did you know that nearly 60% of small businesses hit by phishing attacks costing an average of $53,987 never recover? Over half. In this video, I'll expose how phishing attacks can devastate your small business and, more importantly, how you can avoid becoming the next victim. Plus, stick around. I'll reveal a powerful tool to protect your business from these relentless digital predators. Hey, Kevin here from Sentry Systems. We're all about providing expert cybersecurity solutions for small businesses. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both alarming and crucial: phishing attacks. These aren't just nuisances. They can be catastrophic for small businesses. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to safeguard your business. So let's get started. Let me share a story that hits close to home. I once worked with a local coffee shop owner named Wendy. She had built her business from the ground up and was doing pretty well until one day she received an email that seemed to be from her bank. The email was cleverly disguised and seemed legitimate. It asked her to update her account details due to some suspicious activity. Wendy clicked on the link and entered her credentials. Within hours, her business account was wiped clean. Wendy's story is like so many others. It serves as a stark reminder that phishing attacks can happen to any small business, regardless of industry or size. This is why awareness and vigilance are so critical. Let's talk numbers for a moment. According to recent studies, phishing attacks cost small businesses an average of $53,987 per incident. That's not just pocket change. It's enough to cripple or even close a business. Consider the case of a small marketing firm that fell victim to a phishing attack last year. They received an email that appeared to be from one of their major clients, asking for sensitive project details and login credentials for their project management software. By the time they realized it was a scam, the attackers had already stolen sensitive client information and demanded a hefty ransom for its return. The recovery process was long and arduous, involving legal fees, cybersecurity consultations, and client relationship management. The firm almost didn't make it through. These real-world examples drive home the point that prevention is key. It's not just about recovering after an attack. It's about ensuring you never become a victim in the first place. So, how can you spot a phishing email? Here are some actionable steps. First, check the sender's address carefully. Cybercriminals try to trick you by making email addresses that look almost like real ones. They might change just one letter, like using support@yourbank.com with an extra N instead of support@yourbank.com the right way. This trick is to fool you into thinking the email is from someone you trust. To protect yourself and your business, always look closely at the sender's address before you open an email or click on anything. If something seems off, it probably is. Next, watch out for odd language or spelling mistakes. Scammers often don't worry too much about spelling or grammar. They hope you won't notice their mistakes. But if an email has lots of spelling errors or just sounds weird, it's probably a scam. Some email programs use AI to catch these mistakes and warn you if an email looks suspicious. This can help you spot fake emails. And next, hover over links without clicking. Here's why. Before you click on any link in an email, hover your mouse over it. This shows you where the link will actually take you. Scammers often make links look real, but when you hover, you can see if the link is actually going somewhere strange. Hovering over links lets you see where the link will really take you before you click. If the link looks strange, don't click on it. Next up, be wary of urgent or scary messages. Scammers often try to make you panic. They might say your account is at risk or that you need to act fast. This is to make you click without thinking. Take a moment to think. Real companies don't try to scare you. If an email feels urgent or threatening, stop and think before you do anything. Next, use anti-phishing tools and email filters. Many email programs have tools that help protect you from scams by moving suspicious emails to your spam folder. These tools get better as they learn from new threats. You can also use browser add-ons that warn you about risky websites. Make sure your anti-phishing tools are up to date so they can protect you from the newest scams. This helps keep your business safe. Lastly, stay informed about the latest scams. Scammers are always coming up with new tricks, so it's important to stay up to date. There are simple blogs, newsletters, and videos that explain these threats in easy-to-understand language. Where to find updates? You don't need to be an expert to stay safe. Look for easy-to-read blogs or short videos that explain new scams in simple terms. Staying informed helps you recognize scams before they get to you. These steps are practical and easy to implement, empowering you to take immediate action against potential threats. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, the awesome tool that can help safeguard your business from phishing attacks, Proofpoint Essentials. Proofpoint Essentials is an affordable tool designed specifically for small businesses. It scans incoming emails for suspicious elements like fake URLs and unusual attachments. It's easy to use and integrates seamlessly with most email platforms. Imagine having an extra layer of security that catches potential threats before they even reach your inbox. It's like having a digital bodyguard who never sleeps. By using Proofpoint Essentials, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to phishing scams. By staying vigilant and using tools like Proofpoint Essentials, you can protect your business from phishing attacks and avoid costly mistakes. Combining these steps creates a robust defense mechanism that requires minimal effort but offers maximum protection. Remember Wendy? After implementing these steps and using Proofpoint Essentials, she's been able to focus on growing her business without constantly looking over her shoulder for the next potential threat. Let's recap the key takeaways. Vigilance is your first line of defense. Always double-check email addresses, look out for misspellings, hover over links before clicking them, and beware of urgent language. Use tools like Proofpoint. Essentials. Adding an extra layer of security can make all the difference in protecting your business. Stay informed. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay updated on the latest tactics used by attackers. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about securing your business from cyber threats, check out the video on the screen where I go into essential steps to strengthen your defenses even further. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your digital assets safe. See you in the next video.